cold as well. A squad of soap. Got things moving. I really don't know if this helps or not. It's a mild abrasive, I think. That seems to work. Look at the shadow cast by that dial, that wheel. On?
Yeah.
Didn't hear it go on. Right, so that looks a lot better when clean.
Yeah.
Rather heavy base.
It is very heavy base.
Final bit. Now I wonder if this is going to want to polish.
It might. Wash it first, see how it comes out.
I think I'll use the back side of this now. Do it again. In there, I can still see gaps. So there's a lot of turning things around. And then the next thing to do, put it here I think, calm down wind, you just got to empty the nozzle. That keeps the can preserved longer. Well no, I think we're going to change from that to that.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Hello all, it is I, Editing Jimbo from the future here. Whilst you're watching the speeded up footage, I wanted to add a few words about painting with a spray can. It seems there's a lot of discussion out there about the pros and cons of retrobrighting your plastics, and whether or not you should colour match instead. But there's not so much said about using spray paints. As you might expect, there is a technique, and it's one that needs to be learned to get the best results. I've only got a minute here, so I may do a video about this in the future. However, the key fact to learn is that preparation is everything. If you do this yourself, you'll soon discover that after washing and degreasing and with the paint in hand, you're still going to be thinking about preparation. So what do I mean by that? Well, the technique used here is the same as repainting a classic car, using garage equipment of an air compressor and a spray gun. It's not complicated, just methodical, and you are working in layers. You begin with a clean surface and apply a mist coat of primer. This gives the paint a key to grip onto. If you wish to provide an even undercoat, then apply a second coat of primer. It's the same with the colour. After 15 minutes, apply a mist coat of colour to help the chemistry bind to the primer beneath. Allow another 10 or 15 minutes before applying a second or a third coat to give an even layer of colour. Even before these final stages, you'll see that I begin with the hard-to-reach areas first, the cavities and the creases, the edges and the folds, before applying any colour to the larger panels. Keep your movements with the can smooth. in long, straight, overlapping passes with the nozzle held at a constant distance from the surface. Move past and over the edges to give a consistent finish. Do these things and you should get a good result. Good luck!
Yep. This, even if the wire goes down the back, doesn't matter.